So welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimi K. So let's go ahead and get into this wig review. So this is going to be a part 2 of my first part. This wig is from Jurllyshe. It is going to be a bob wig, which I did do a part 1, so you can go ahead and check out the description box down below for more information on this wig. So I'm going to be starting out with putting this wig on. In part 1 I did show you the steps to prepping my wig for installation, so now all we're doing is throwing it on. I'm going to go ahead and start off by cutting off the ear tabs, and then I'm going to be applying my lace hairspray to go ahead and hold this wig down. I'm going to go ahead and spray this along the perimeter of the hair. I'm going to do that 2 times, and in between both times I am going to be blow drying to make sure that it is tacky. It doesn't have to be dry, but I do want it at least tacky before applying the next layer. After applying that layer, I did go ahead and wrap my hair up. This is how it looks after it has been wrapped. Next, we are going to go ahead and cut off that lace. I'm going to be using my eyebrow razor to go ahead and cut off the lace. I do like to leave lace on my wigs sometimes. Usually where my low hairline is at, I will leave some lace around there, but for the most part I do cut that off. So you will see some lace left on there, but we are going to go back in with our spray and we are going to melt that into the skin. So after this, I am going to go ahead and tie my hair one last time. Next, we are going to be moving on to cutting baby hairs down. I am going to be trimming those down and laying those down. What I'm using is going to be my edge booster. I love this to put on my edges. Be careful, sometimes this does have a white cast to it, so I will usually mix it with a little bit of just some regular gel, just so it won't look so I don't know, it gets white and flaky. And that's what I'm doing right now, just applying that edge. And if you saw my part 1, then you will know I did not have to pluck this unit at all. And look at how the hairline looks. The hairline is so freaking bomb on this unit. So next I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 362. I'm just putting that powder on the edges. The lace is light and I didn't apply any foundation on top. I only applied it on bottom. So I did have to go back in and touch those spots up. And next I'm just running my hands through my curls because I did have my little clips holding my hair back. But this is the final results on how this hair looked. My hair did drop a little bit, so I did just want to go ahead and put up in a ponytail. But yeah, I will be giving you my final thoughts on this hair, so let's go ahead and get into that. And make sure you do comment, like, and subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. So hey K-Birds, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Kimi K. So I'm going to be doing a hair review on this wig that I got from Jurllyshe.com. They did go ahead and send this wig out to me. I did do a part 1 showing you how I prep my wig for installation. I did also style this unit, so you can go ahead and check that video out. I will leave it up here so that you can go ahead and take a look at that. So let's go ahead and get into this wig. So this is the wig from Jurllyshe.com. This is going to be their 13 by 4 Brazilian straight streak unit. It is a T1B/30. It is pre-plugged, and the knots are going to be bleached for you, so it is bleached around the perimeter, and then also it has the part that is preset, so that is also where the bleach is at, so it's around the perimeter of the hair. I did pluck just a little bit of the hairline. It wasn't too much. Once I pulled the baby hairs out, then I just left it alone because I could see that it was plugged, and I do like how this unit looks. So this unit, it is not shedding a lot. You are going to get minimum shedding, and it is not tangling up in the nape as well. The hair is very soft, and this, like I said, is going to be a straight unit. So the curls, they are kind of falling out, but they're not falling out like drastically. So I do like that about this. The hair, it is a nice density. This one unit is supposed to be 130% density, but it does feel just a smidget like thicker than that. So I do like the density on this unit. The length that I have is going to be 16 inches. This wig, it does have a lot of wiggle room in it, so I feel even if you have a large head, you should be able to go ahead and fit this unit. But other than that, that is going to be it for this hair review. This hair is very pretty and simple, as you will see in the part 1. The knots are already going to be bleached for you. This is going to be a human hair wig, so the knots going to be bleached for you. It is plucked. The lace is going to be a light, it doesn't have a, I don't think it has a brown tint to it. It is a light lace, and I did have to go over that with my foundation on the bottom of the lace, and I should have put my foundation on top because I did have to apply my powder on top to get the lace to blend in a little bit more better. So that is all about it that you're gonna have to do with this unit, and of course it is gonna be straight, so you can wear it however you want to wear. You can curl it, you can straighten it, up, down, however you want to wear it. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this unit. This unit is freaking pretty. I do like this unit. Let me see how much it is. So on the site, it is going to be $203.83. So I will leave the details below on where you can purchase this unit at. Once again, this is from Jurllyshe. Thank you again for sending me out this unit to review. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.